I've been loving these vacuum seal bags because not only are they helping me pack for travel and just travel lightweight and fit everything in my carry-on, but they're also helping me keep my blankets in my closet down to minimum space so that I can actually have more closet space. So I do want to thank the company for sending this to me to check out for you. So this really does come with everything that you need. There's 9 bags in varying different sizes, and it also comes with a portable travel vacuum compressor, and you can see it kind of really just fits in the palm of my hand, so it's going to be easy to pack even in like a carry-on when you travel. Now, first off, these vacuum seal bags are so simple to use. They do come with these red clips, and these are almost meant to be like Ziploc bag sliders. You just are going to clip it on your bag. So there it is, one for each bag. And then the zip seal on these works just like a Ziploc bag. You're going to unzip it. And so it poofs out where you can add all your stuff into your bag. Now I'm going to use this medium-sized bag to pack for some travel. Now I do want to take a pair of jeans and a sweater option to go with those jeans. And we know packing jeans and sweaters can take up way too much room in a suitcase. They get big and bulky real quick like. And what I also want to throw in here is make sure I have some sweatpants and a t-shirt, basically a pair of pajamas. And now that we have our clothes in the bag, we're just going to take this slider and slide it real slow to zip the bag completely shut. And you can see that is sealed on the first time, but you might want to take the slider and slide it. It is recommended to slide it a couple of times just to make sure that you have a really good seal on that seal. Then the next step is the magical part. There is a cap on the circle part of the bag. We're just going to remove that to have the red part show. And on your vacuum sealer, you are going to put this, connect it to the circle, and press your button. And then, of course, you just turn it off when you're done and remove it and take your cap and replace your cap back. And it does vacuum seal your clothes so that they don't take up as much room in your suitcase. Now, another great use I found for the large bags is if you have just closets of blankets like me and you're trying to free up closet space, you can actually vacuum seal the blankets that you don't use, like your seasonal fall and Christmas blankets. And look at how these blankets are vacuum sealed. So then you can just stack these on your shelves in your closet and have so much more space to work with. I absolutely love, highly recommend.